Hello students. Today we will learn a new lesson, that is who did Patrick's homework, and this lesson has been written by Carol Murray. Okay. So my dear students, let's continue. Patrick never did homework, too boring, he said. He played baseball and basketball and Nintendo instead. So Patrick, okay, he was very lazy fellow. He never did any homework. He said that doing homework is so boring work. Okay. So instead of doing his homework, what he was doing? He was playing baseball, basketball, and Nintendo. Okay. His teacher told him, Patrick, do your homework or you won't learn nothing. And it's true, sometimes he did feel like a dingling. So here you can see that teachers also, they are telling him to do the homework. Otherwise he won't learn a thing. Anything he will not learn. Okay, that's why teachers are also telling him. And it's true. Okay, it's true. It became true that sometimes he used to feel like a dingling. Dingling means good for nothing. Okay, he used to feel useless, worthless. Okay, but what could he do? He hated homework. He hated the homework too much. Okay. Then on St. Patrick's Day, his cat was playing with a little doll and he grabbed it away. So on St. Patrick's Day, okay, his cat was playing with a doll. And what happened? He went and caught that doll. To his surprise, it wasn't a doll at all, but a man of the tiniest size. It was not a doll, but what was it? It was a man of tiniest size, very small size of man he was. Okay. He had a little wool shirt with old fashioned breeches. He was and a high tall hat much like a witch's. Okay. So he was wearing shirt like a banyan. Okay, that is there is no sleeves and all. Okay, so he was wearing like that shirt, and he had a hat, he had a cap which is very long. Okay, very tall. See, you can see here in the picture also, the cat is very tall like a tail. Okay, it is there. He yelled, save me, don't give me back to that cat. I will grant you a wish, I promise you that. So he says that don't give me again to that cat, otherwise cat will eat me away. Okay, and what he says that if you don't give me, that means don't give to the cat, and he says that he will wish him, he will grant him a wish. Okay, wish means he will give to him anything. Okay, whatever he wants, he will do that. Okay. Patrick couldn't believe how lucky he was. Okay, he couldn't believe that how lucky he was. He became very happy about this. Okay, here was the answer to all of his problems. So he got the answer to all of his problems. So he said, only if you do all my homework till the end of the semester, that is 35 days. So he says, if you do all my homework that till the end of the semester, and how many days are there for that? 35 days. Then only I will not give to that cat. Okay, so he says you have to do my homework. If you do a good enough job, I could even get A's. A's means grade system. Okay, so he says that if you do good job, if you do nice work, then what will happen? He will get A's. Okay, good marks he will get. Okay, that is what Patrick is saying. The little man's face wrinkled like a dishcloth thrown in the hamper. So little man's face wrinkled. That means his face became he became very sad. Okay, and also he got very angry, and his face became wrinkled. Means lining system comes there. Okay, in the face due to the anger. So dishcloth thrown in the hamper. That means dishcloth means the clothes with which we wash the vessels. Okay, so his face became like that. Okay, and okay, so he kicked his legs and doubled his fists, and he grimaced and scolded and pursed his lips. Oh, am I cursed? But I will do it. So he kicked his legs, okay, because of the anger, and doubled his fist, now tightened his fist, and he grimaced. Grimaced means he is making his face, okay. That means he is making his face with the disagreement. And scold, that means looking with the angry nature, and pursed his lips and tightening his lips, and says that I am cursed, okay, I am cursed, but I will do this work, he says. And true to his word, that little elf began to do Patrick's homework, and he started doing his homework. Except there was one glitch, only one problem was the glitch, means small problem, okay. The elf didn't always know what to do, and he needed help. Help me, he would say, and Patrick would have to help in whatever way. So the elf, it was not able to do anything on his own, okay, so he needed help, so Patrick has to help, okay, by any ways. I don't know this word, the elf squeaked while reading Patrick's homework. So while reading the Patrick's homework, he shouted, okay, that I don't know this word, so get me a dictionary. No, what's even better, look up the word and sound it out by each letter, okay. He says that look at the dictionary and read it loudly so that I can understand and I will do the homework, he says. When it came to math, Patrick was out of luck. What are timetables? The elf shrieked. We elves never need that. So when it came to math, okay, Patrick was out of luck. That means he came into the problem. Okay, came into the problem. And saying that this elf is saying that he never did like that work because he doesn't know anything about this. He had not done addition, not done subtraction, no division, no fraction, everything, all these things he had not done, so he doesn't know anything. So here, sit down beside me, you simply must guide me. So he says that the Patrick has to sit beside him and the Patrick will guide him so that the elf will do the homework. Elves know nothing of human history. To them it's a mystery. So even the elves don't know the history also. Then they know only about the they don't know actually anything. So it is a mystery for them. Okay. So the little elf, already a shouter, just got louder. It is already a shouter, okay. It used to shout, so it became it started shouting loudly now. Go to the library, I need books, more and more books, and you can help me read them too. So the elf, the little man, sends him to the library and to bring him the so many books, okay, more and more books, so that he can help him in reading the books, okay. As a matter of fact, every day, in every way, that little elf was a nag. Now the little elf, okay, it was very, we can say that it is helpless, okay, very poor guy, okay, because every day he was doing the homework. Patrick was working harder than ever and was it a drag. Now Patrick, he was working very hard, okay, he was staying up nights, till nights he was staying for a long night, okay. Had never felt so very. This time he is getting tired, okay. Was going to school with his eyes puffed and blurry. He is too much tired, not sleeping properly. His eyes are a little, okay, swollen and all, not watching properly and all, okay. So still he is working hard, okay. Finally, the last day of the school arrived and the elf was free to go. And at the end, the little man was free to go. As for homework, there was no more. So he quietly, slyly slipped out of the back door. See? So he quietly went out from the back door. Patrick got his A's. His classmates were amazed. His teachers smiled and were all full of praise. So he got A's at last, okay. His teachers were amazed. Classmates were amazed. His teachers smiled and they all are praising how this man got so many marks, how this man got A's, and even his parents also. They wondered what had happened to Patrick. They are wondering what happened to Patrick. He was now the model kid. He became a model kid now. Cleaning his room, did his chores, that means household work, He was cheerful, never rude. He never became rude to anyone. Like he had developed a whole new attitude. Now he had developed a whole new attitude, He became a good boy now. You see, in the end, Patrick still thought he would made that tiny man do all his homework. After this also, still Patrick is thinking that tiny man is doing his homework, but it's not a tiny man. But I will share a secret, he says, just between you and me. He wants to share a secret between you and me. That means between me and you. It wasn't the elf. Patrick had done it himself. Finally, it is not the elf. Patrick, he himself did all these works. So my dear students, you might have understood. So thank you so much. Bye bye.